wonderful singers, and welcome to your Kovo vocal exercise of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen. I am the founder of Kovo, which is short for Community Vocalizing. And last week during our specialty vocal workout, our topic was singing during and after illness. During this session, we learned all about how to protect our voices during illness, how to help restore them to health as we recover, and we learned some vocal rehab exercises. So our exercise of the week comes from that workout. You are going to need a straw for this one, a regular size drinking straw. So if you need to go and find one, I'll wait. You can pause me. You got your straw? Great. So straw phonation, singing through a straw, is what's known as an SOVT exercise. That acronym stands for semi-occluded vocal tract, SOVT. And basically it's just a fancy way of saying that the mouth is partially blocked or occluded. Straw phonation falls into this category, as do many other perennial favorite exercises used by singers and voice teachers everywhere. Some other examples of these: buzzes, humming, voiced consonants like the letter V. These sounds are wonderful tools for singers always, even when they are healthy, but they can be a lifeline when a singer is ill and or recovering from illness. So straw exercises not only occlude the opening of the vocal tract, but they lengthen it as well, which creates this increased acoustical back pressure, which is fed back to the vocal cords in a way that helps them to vibrate more easily and with less muscular effort. So this assistance can be like a massage for vocal cords that are recovering from the swelling that often goes along with illness. So I think of it like exercising in a swimming pool after a physical injury. There is a lot less impact on the body, but there's still this wonderful and complete range of motion. So we're going to just start by taking the straw and practicing blowing through it with enough energy that it feels kind of like a little kazoo. There's a little buzz to it. Now we're going to make sure that all the air is coming out the straw. We're not humming, meaning there's no air coming out the nose. How can I check this? Very good. So I'm singing out the straw. So let me now display the exercise. All right. So first, we're going to sing the exercise that you see here entirely through the straw. And you can use a little portamento up to the fifth, like this. Let's do another. You can try one more. Second, we are going to remove the straw once we get to the high note, but we're going to smoothly continue singing an oo vowel. Let's try that. One more on your own. going to remove the straw while we are still singing the bottom note, and again transition smoothly to that oo vowel for the rest of the exercise. This one sounds like this. My breath flow stays very steady. One last one on your own. So this is a great exercise to use when you are ready to return to vocalizing after illness, but it can also be used at any time for warming up and especially for cooling down. For example, at the end of a very long rehearsal or after a strenuous practice session. So I encourage you to play with this exercise in the week to come. If you are interested in accessing the workout that I mentioned, singing during and after illness, it is available for the rest of the year, and you can find out how to access it in the description below. If you would like the next vocal exercise of the week to be delivered directly to your inbox, there are instructions about that in the description below. And finally, if you are not already joining our free general vocal workouts, we would love to have you. We meet every Monday and Wednesday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time, and instructions on how to request our free Zoom link are, you guessed it, in the description below. So singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is crucial for your vocal health and fitness. Every time you show up at Kovo, you are going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. So we hope to see you there.